Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous champak flower using crochet technique. And here I have created this beautiful flower in white color, and you can create this in very less time. This is a hair clip, so you can use this as the Juda decoration pin, or you can put it on right side of your hair as the hair clip, or you can decorate your braid. So multiple usages of this beautiful flower hair clip, and this is also very good idea for the last minute gifting for Mother's Day. So tomorrow is the Mother's Day and you can make in only few time. And I have created in two different shades. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking white color cotton yarn, and you can use any kind of yarn like acrylic yarn, mixed cotton with acrylic yarn, and taking the crochet hook, which is 2.75 mm. You can also use 2.5 mm crochet hook. Now I am showing you how to make slip knot and connect with crochet hook. Just wrap the thread around your finger like this. Take out this loop, and the front yarn you should take on back side and pull this from the crochet hook like this, and the slip knot is ready. Very easy. Now we are going to create total 11 chains. So yarn over, pass the tool through the previous chain, and the chain 1 is ready. Similarly, we are going to complete total 11 chains. So 11 chains are ready. Now can you see here next chain? So we have to skip the first chain here, just beside our loop, and on the next chain we are going to make single crochet. Pass through the chain, yarn over, pull the thread, and again yarn over and pass through both the loops. So this is called single crochet, and in total we are going to create 9 single crochet. So 1 is done. Now 8 are remaining. So quickly I am completing it. All our 9 single crochets are done. Now on the last chain we are going to make 3 single crochets. So in one chain we are going to make 3 single crochets. And this is also done. So we have completed till this point. Now starting with other side of the chains. So just pull the thread nicely, and we are working on this side now. So the thread which is coming out, I am wrapping it while doing the crochet work. So we are going to do 3 double crochets in 3 chains. Yarn over on crochet hook, pass through the chain, yarn over, taking out through the loop or same chain, yarn over, taking out 2 loops, yarn over and taking out on remaining 2 loops. This is called double crochet. So we are going to do 2 more double crochets. So total 3 double crochets are done, and now we are going to do 5 triple crochets, or this is also called treble crochet. So we have to yarn over for 2 times. Put your tool in the next chain, yarn over, take out the tool, yarn over, pass through the 2 loops, yarn over, pass through next 2 loops, again yarn over and pass through last 2 loops. So this is called 1 triple crochet. And with the same method we are going to repeat for 4 more times. And all 5 triple crochets are done. Now we are doing 1 single crochet in the last chain. And then we have to start on this side. So on the first chain of other side we are going to do 1 single crochet again. And then on next 5 chains I am going to do 5 triple crochets, just like we did before. So 5 triple crochets are done. Then I am going to do 3 double crochets in next 3 chains. So 3 double crochets are also done. Then doing 1 single crochet in the next chain, and doing slip stitch to the next stitch, chain 1 and just take out the thread. So I'm just cutting the small thread using scissors and taking it off. Tighten it up and the beautiful petal is ready. Now I'm just cutting this hanging thread from back side and rotating my petal like this, and the nice and fluffy 1 petal for flower is ready. Very pretty. So with the same method I have already prepared total 5 petals to create 1 flower. Now I'm showing you how to color this. So for the coloring here, I am taking my soft pastels and I am using today yellow, orange and red color little bit. So just taking dry brush, putting yellow color first and doing the shading from the center towards the outer side. We don't need to color the petal completely, just a little bit of the petal in the bottom part. Also adding little bit of orange for deeper look, and for the depth I am adding red color. Similarly going to color remaining petals. So all our 5 petals are colored and they are looking absolutely stunning. Now it's time to construct the flower. So to stick the petals with each other, here I am taking strong glue by Uhu brand. You can also use Fevikwik or glue gun, whatever glue which dries quickly. So just add little bit of glue on the right side of the petal. Put another petal on top of this like this. Hold it for a few seconds. And similarly I am going to connect remaining 3 petals by overlapping on each other. Then again adding the last petal, add little glue and just putting it like this, and you will have the gorgeous flower ready in few minutes. Now just curving all the petals, put it on your palm to make it dimensional. And from back side I am cutting excess threads. And the beautiful flower is ready. Now taking this hair clip base, which is ready-made one, and adding same glue again in the center and sticking my flower on top of this. So our hair clip flower is ready, very easy. Now it's ready to wear, and with the similar method I have prepared one more flower clip using pink color yarn. So whatever color you like you can use, and for the deeper look I have added here brown color in the center and added also one single pearl. So if you want you can keep your flower as it is, or you can add pearl or pollens in the center of the flower. But in the original Champak flower there is nothing in the center. So you can quickly create these flower clips for your mom for Mother's Day gifts. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.